Okay, so believe it or not, I've been doing YouTube for about 10 years. And one of the things that I've been using a lot for some of the other channels that I got is a system called Trello. So if you want to organize your ideas, you want to organize your videos in different categories and things like that, and kind of plan your content, this may be a great idea for you guys. And the best thing about it is that it's free. You don't pay no money for it. So very quickly, all you have to do is go to Trello. You can see it right there. Just Google it. It's going to come out. Once you download that, you're going to have it set up kind of like this. And you're going to be able to have different boards. So right here, as you can see down here, I got different boards that I have, things that I've been doing, different channels and things like that. And again, some of them, if you don't use it at a later time, you can kind of archive those boards. But again, this is kind of like the ones that I've been working on. And if you look here to my left, you're going to see that you have the boards right here as well. So I'm going to give you a quick example. This is a channel that I mess with every now and then, and it's, motorcycle and things like that, right? And as you can see, here's some of the videos that I have posted right here, which I started posting again. Here's videos that I got scheduled, videos that I got uploaded, edited, and things like that. And you know what? This is as good as you organize it, right? If you don't put it in the right category, you're definitely going to have issues. Like, for example, I haven't done this video yet, but I could put it right here, working on it this week. And then this blocks right here are empty. And again, the cool thing about it is that you could come here to the calendar and you can have a calendar right here that it kind of shows you the videos that you have posted. Like I said, I just started posting here again. You can see I got 2 videos right here. I got a video right here, and I got a video right here, right? And I kind of took a break on this channel, but there has been times that I'm being pretty consistent. You can kind of see it right here. You can see the calendar right there. And I love this because, once again, if you're a content creator, you could kind of be like maybe day 4 right here, but you're working on videos that you're going to post the 18, right? So again, here I got a video on the 23. You could be working ahead, right? The key on doing YouTube videos and things like that is to be ahead. You don't want to be working on the video that you're going to post today, right? You want to be ahead a week or 2 weeks, so like that you're not stressed or anything like that. So I'm going to show you here real quick. I'm going to come back here. You can kind of see Trello right there. We're going to create a board. Click the plus sign right there, and we're gonna put a name, right? This is gonna be channel 8. And I just to give you an idea, right, how this is gonna be, right? It's gonna be in my workplace right here. We're gonna create that, right? And again, you could change the background and things like that as well. But now we're gonna create a list. I'm gonna call this video ideas, create another list, something such as working this week, record it, editing, upload it, schedule, and post it, right? So I got all this list right here, right? And again, you can kind of see it right here, all the lists that I have created, and it kind of gives you an idea. So now I got a couple video ideas, right? So I'm going to have video 1, video 2, and video 3. So again, we got 3 videos right here that we're going to be working on it. Like I said, we're organizing our content, right? So we're going to go ahead and start working on these 2 videos this week, right? So again, maybe I could click here, open it up, and now I could do a couple different things, right? Maybe I had some idea that I want to write right here. I am going to cover A, B, and C, right? So that's going to be the videos. And again, this is going to be something that you could work on it. So when you do the video, you can kind of follow this format right here and you don't have any issues, right? We're going to click save. All that is saved. We're going to give it a date, right? So we're going to post this video on the 20th of May. That's going to be safe right there. We could do a label as well. Usually I do blue for editing, yellow for uploaded, green for posted, but it's going to be up to you. But we're going to give it a label right here, right? And again, that's very cool. This is going to give you all the information you need. And if you share the board with somebody else, that person is going to be able to track what's going on, right? And in fact, if you kind of go here on the right, you're going to see members, right? So you can assign members to a board. I know some of these things is going to cost money, so I'm not really sure what covers into that because I got the free set up. But again, you can set up members, you can set up date, you can set up attachments, so you can put attachments in there. You can set up all different things, custom fill. You could copy, make it a template. I mean, you can do all kind of different things. You could put comments right here. So for example, if you're working with somebody else, maybe you're working with an editor or something like that, the person could be putting comments there, and that's a way for you to communicate, right? But again, that's going to be it. You put stuff in there. Video 2 is going to be about whatever. Again, you put another day. Let's say you're posting a video on the 20th, so this one's going to be for the 23rd. We're going to save that. We're going to give it a label, whatever you want to decide to. We're going to write a description if a description needs to be written in there, right? So now this is a cool thing. You go out there, you record those videos, and hey, you're going to put it in the recording pile, right? That doesn't mean necessarily that you are going to edit them that day, but that's just videos that are recorded. You understand that, and you have in there saved. You may go back and start working on video 3 or whatever, but that's recorded. Once you start editing, right? You kind of move it around. Again, process that a lot allows you to be clean, allows you to know where you are in those videos. Once you finish editing and you upload into the platform that you want to upload it, in my case, YouTube, could be Facebook, could be whatever. Again, you're going to move it around. Once you schedule it, you're going to move it around, right? And I'm misspelled schedule right here into the day that is posted. And typically what happened to me is that I may have like 6 or 7 videos right here scheduled already, but they haven't been posted. Once I post it, I go ahead out there and put it in the post pile, right? And I kind of like this too as well, the description, by the way. Usually if I have any links that I want to, promote or something like that, I will have the comment that I'm going to put here on YouTube there. So once it posts, I could copy that comment, put it on the video itself, and then pin that to the top. And again, guys, that's about it. This is a very good setup that can help you be very, very organized. If I come here to the motorcycle channel, I mean, I got some ideas. I kind of have to fix this a little bit. I haven't dealt with this channel a lot, but again, I got some ideas right here, and I need to organize them in a better way, right? So again, a lot of times you may be home and an idea hits you. You don't want to waste it. You want to put it in your ideas right here so you could work on that idea and you could make it better, right? But you can see some of the videos that I have posted here. I mean, tons of videos. And again, I've been using this for many, many years. If you come up here, there's a couple different things that you could use as well. Like I said, I got a calendar right here. That's kind of like a power up, but there's other things that you could utilize as well. Again, kind of mess with that. You could get some information. And like I said, you could have multiple different boards for multiple different channels and things like that. Again, I've been using Trello for a while and I really love it.